Yes, dear student, now I will be solving some question of numerical problem of ray optics using lens and mirrors. In this figure, we have three lenses placed coaxially. Focal length 10 centimeter minus 10 means it is concave and 30 centimeter. The distance between lenses are 5 centimeter and this is 10 centimeter. An object is placed at distance of 30 centimeter. Here, 30 centimeter object is placed at 30 centimeter. So you are asked here, where will be the final image? Where will be the final image? This is short example of NCERT book 9.9. 9.9 from NCERT book. Before doing question, you must revise the sign convention, lens equation, etc. So for lens, suppose it is L1, this is L2, L3. For lens L1, U equal to minus 30 centimeter, F is equal to plus 10 centimeter. So find V. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F. 1 upon V minus 1 upon minus 30, 1 by 10. So 1 upon V here will come out 1 by 10 minus 1 by 30. ये plus minus. LCM is 30 here. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. So V come out to be 30 upon 2, 15 centimeter. Suppose this image is I1, 30 centimeter. It is this image will act as a virtual image for lens L2. So for L2, U is equal to 15 minus 5, 10 centimeter. यहाँ पर कहीं है वो that denotes matter of concern. Now for second lens, for lens 2, U is equal to plus 10, F is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Again 1 upon V minus 1 upon plus 10, because object is towards the right. Now this virtual object is on right side of lens 2. So U will be positive, is equal to 1 by minus 10. Focal length of concave lens taking negative. So 1 upon V is equal to minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10. So 1 upon V is equal to 0. So V is equal to 1 upon 0 means infinity. What does it mean? If image formed by lens L2 is at infinity, this image formed by lens L2 again will act as an object virtual object, I should say. Because they become parallel, भाई ये जो यहाँ से रे आया वो ये ऐसे हुआ, लेकिन रिफ्लेक्शन के बाद पैरेलल हो गई. Diagram like this. And for convex lens is object at infinity. So for L3 U is equal to infinity, F is equal to 30 centimeter. So again 1 upon V minus 1 upon E equal to 1 by F. 1 upon V equal to 1 upon infinity equal to 1 by 30. So V come out 30 centimeter. Means image will fall on 30 centimeter on the focus F3. Here. You can take ray this way also. So this image will be on the focus of third lens. I hope you have got my point. I explain you this distance 5, this is 10. Focal length 10 minus 10 means concave, convex. For lens L1, object distance 30, focal length 10, so we get image is 15 centimeter. 15 from here. It is 5, so it is minus 10, it is 10. This image formed by this lens will have to object whose image distance 10 or minus 10 from definition of focus also. Beam converging to it become parallel. So क्योंकि इसकी फोकल लेंथ -10 और 10 है, तो ऑन द लेंस लाइट आर कमिंग पैरेलल मीन्स फ्रॉम infinity and hence image will be at its focus. So this is one question here. Now there is another question like this. Same type question is there. Three lenses, three convex lenses, L1, L2, L3, each of focal length 20 centimeter, are placed coaxially. All three lenses L1, L2, L3 have focal length 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter is the focal length of each. F 30 centimeter or 20. An object is placed at distance of 40 centimeter from L1. Here an object placed at distance 40 centimeter. So here you are asked what is the distance between three lenses. If image formed by third lens at its focus, focal length 20 यानी कि यहाँ से 20 बने. What should be the distance between three lenses? This question has been asked in board exam in 2012. 2012. Question क्या है? What should be the distances between the lenses so that image formed by L3 is at its focus. Simple question. Distance between them. 4 lengths L1. U equal to minus 40 centimeter. F1 20 centimeter. So clearly object at 2F. Image will be at 2F 40 centimeter. But using length equation 1 upon B minus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F. 1 upon B minus 1 upon minus 40 equal to 1 by 20. So 1 upon B equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 upon 40. LCM 40, 2 minus 1. So B equal to 40. B equal to 40 centimeter. वैसे भी we know if object placed at 2F, image will be at 2F. By focal length 20, so this object image, this object is at its 2F. So 2F. Now here, since image formed by L3 at its focus, so for this L3, object should be at infinity. This image formed by infinity. It means ray after passing through this length should become parallel to this. And when this image formed at 40 centimeter will act object for L2. This image will act as an object for L2. Since image formed by L3 is at its focus, so image formed by L2 should be at infinity. So when this L2 will form image at infinity for this object, when and hence image formed by L1 should hence image formed by L1 should be at first focus of L2. So distance between L1 and L2 is equal to 40 plus 20, 60 सेंटीमीटर. इन भाई यहाँ से नहीं चलेगी तो वो फोकस 40 पर इमेज बनाया उसने. आई एम रीड्राइंग. ये 40 पर जो ऑब्जेक्ट था उसका मैं यहाँ 40 पर बना, and then it should be at 20 cm from this, so that they become parallel. So this distance 40. Now for L3, the image from my L2 will be at infinity, means they are going parallel. So, and hence L2 and L3 may be placed in contact or distance between L2 and L3 may have any value. Any value. भाई जब लाइट रेज L3 पर पैरेलल आकर पड़ रही हैं L2 से, तो चाहे इसको यहाँ रख दो चाहे कहीं रख दो, तो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन L1 L2 60, तो आंसर क्या हुआ कि L1 L2 इक्वल टू 60 और L2 L3 में वेरी फ्रॉम 0 to infinity. कुछ भी हो सकता है, तो दिस इज वन क्वेश्चन हियर. These are good question here. Remember the image formation diagram. Now there is another question which has been asked in exam in 2014. But time is less. I will solve in next video.